James with Creative. Today we're going to be doing an overview on the iLX-W770 from Alpine. If you're familiar with the iLX series from Alpine, then you're aware of the 670. This is going to be the new 770. What you're going to gain going from a 670 to a 770 is going to be going from wired to wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. So that's going to be completely wireless at that point, as well as adding a secondary camera input. So Alpine's listened to what customers are looking for with the 670 and went ahead and added those features to the new 770. As you can see, this is going to be the iLX series doubled in. So these are going to be a shallow mount radio that you can actually fix their power pack amplifiers to. So if you've looked at any of the Alpine products, you'll notice that they have the power pack series of amplifiers. They're going to be either a 4-channel that affix directly to the back of the radio, or they also offer a mono block that you can add to the back of this to power any subwoofer of your choice. Inside the box, you're going to find a couple different accessories that we've got laid out here. So you've got your external microphone for your Bluetooth to make sure that you're going to get the best reception on the microphone whenever you're using that inside your vehicle. You're going to find a USB extension because this does have dual USB. So this is going to have one coming out of the back and then as well as the extension. Then this is going to have the optional GPS antenna. So this is going to be when you're using your Android Auto, whether you're going to be using your wireless CarPlay. This is going to give you that GPS antenna that you're going to need for utilizing your navigation. Also inside the package, you're going to find the accessory harness. So this is going to have your front, rear, and sub RCA outputs, as well as an aux-in, your secondary camera input. But this is also going to have built into it the Prismalink LED controller for the Alpine enclosures. When you look at the Alpine lineup, you'll notice that several of their enclosures actually have built-in RGB LEDs. The new Prismalink enclosures can be controlled directly from inside the iLX pieces. So that's going to be the same for the 670 as well as the 770. They've carried that over into the new models. So whether you're looking to pair this with the optional satellite radio tuner, the power pack amplifiers, any of the full line of Alpine amplifiers or speakers, this is going to be a great footprint to build an entire system around. As always, we put together these bundles that are going to be curated with all Alpine products to make sure you get things that are going to work exactly as intended. So that's going to be all the features and benefits you're going to see with the new 770. As always, stay tuned as we bring you innovative products to fit your lifestyle.